What are you doing? Who's it? What are you doing? Hey. Hey. You silly. You silly. Mommy. Give me lovins. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we are filming quite a few videos in the same day. So yes, I did just wear this shirt in another video. But hey, listen. In order for you to have a vlog every day in October, you got to film several videos in a day. So Jackson is done with his schoolwork, and Mom is done with some stuff I needed to do. Well, I'm actually not done, but that's okay. Alana's still working on school, so we can't leave to go over to Taekwondo. So we are going to do VlogTober day 6. And there's some things I want to change. For me, change is good. When my mind gets a little restless, or I just sometimes need change. So in my master bedroom, which is where I am right now, I'm going to change some things up just because I need something different. Now, I just changed it not long ago with the bed. I moved the bed. But there are a couple other things that I'm going to be doing. Also, in light of the hurricane, and almost everything now is in light of the hurricane. Because really, if you think about it, the hurricane hit as a category 1. It was slated to hit us as a 4. If it had hit as a 4, everything in the surrounding counties, and that's 5 or 6 or 7 counties, would have been wiped out, totally wiped out. Even as a 1, it has taken its grand toll on a lot of families. So if you remember, in my seating area right beside my bed, I have I got a pimple. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I think I'm having a breakout. It's not normal with me being on keto, but sometimes every now and then I'll get a little something. Even though I don't have my cycle anymore, I still get reminders that I should be. So anyway, where I have my seating area, I have a table, a little bedside table thing. And I have 2 of them, but I'm only using 1 right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to empty that totally out, and I'm going to pass those 2 bedside tables along to families who may be in need, because they are a matching set, and I'm just using 1. The other one's just sitting in my garage. So I'm going to pass those along. And with that being said, I am going to move my vanity area, which is this area right here. I'm going to move this, and you guys, see, I can't. Anyway, we won't discuss it. But I'm going to move this area because I do a lot of work in here. And so I would like to have a space that is mom friendly, where I can do my makeup, but I also do a lot of YouTube video editing and different things like that. So Jackson and I are going to work in this bedroom to get a few things done. I also, remember, in my master closet, I have those 2, they're bookshelves, and I'm going to take some pictures. Laundry's done. I'm going to take some pictures, and I'm going to post those to see if anybody is in need of those. They are simply helpers in my closet. I don't have to have them. So somebody said, you're so nice to be, donating some of your things. Listen, the things I have in here that aren't necessary for life and living, the kids and I can afford to share. We're also going to be filming another video, and that's probably going to be day 7. My sister's going to be coming and staying with us for a couple of days because she and her kids lost everything in the hurricane. I mean, everything. The clothes on their backs and just a few things they were able to salvage. So she and her kids will be here for a couple of days. We're going to put them in Jackson's room. So we're going to fix that up for them, make sure everything is nice and clean, change all the bed linens and blah, 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 so that they will have a nice space. So come along with us as we work in Mom's bedroom for VlogTober day number 7. So this is what I'm going to be doing. This table here, I'm going to totally move out. See how I work? I've got 2 computers. I'm usually sitting in this chair. The kids are sitting here watching TV. I did not make the bed yet. And then I'm going to be moving this piece away. This is going to stay with you. This is going to stay right here where it is. This whole piece is not moving. We are going to take a few minutes to dust out behind where ma'am has her kennel there. She will put herself in timeout if she needs to. And then we're going to totally move all of this. So here's a thought that I'm having, and let me know. I'm not loving the black and white anymore, and this chair is brown, and this desk is green. So I'm thinking about changing to kind of some brownish colors, which means I'm totally going to have to do something here, but more some creamy browns, maybe figuring out how I can put in some of the browns and greens. Look at the pillows here, browns and greens. So I'm thinking that I might be able to figure something out. I'm going to go on Pinterest and see if I can find something that might work for me. And who knows, I think I might be able to find something. But Jackson and I are going to start moving stuff around and figuring out what works good for this bedroom.
What do you call a cold canine? A chilly dog.
Oh.
Okay, Google. Play Motown sound.
Okay, check out this major D-Star radio mix on Google Play Music.
Wallflowers.
Okay, Google. Stop.
That was so catchy.
Motown sound. Okay, Google. Motown sound.
Barry Gordy isn't available in your area.
Okay, Google. Play Motown sound.
Okay, check out this major D-Star radio mix on Google Play Music.
In the garage? In the garage.
DJ Spinelli. My presence is a blast. Sneezing on you, niggas.
Really, Mom? Okay, Google.
I don't think I liked Motown sounds.
Okay, Google. Stop, Google. Google, stop. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Motown sound.
Alright, here are some songs.
Thanks. Find some of the brown. Some of the cream color Motown sound.
Oh.
Well, there's nothing you can do. Well, there's nothing you can say. 'Cause everything just ain't gonna go nowhere.
Rocking around Christmas tree at Christmas party house. This go home where you can see voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Go riding in the one horse sleigh. Do that again.
No, I got nothing. Alrighty, you guys, so we are done and it looks so amazing. I am so excited about this makeover. Just, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel light and airy. I think I was trying to use blacks and pinks for femininity, and I really feel like we have captured what I have been trying to capture for a long, long time. So, you know, when you first walk in my bedroom, I used to have the vanity here. We have now moved the chest here, and we have decluttered a couple of pillows, but we're reusing them in the space. So we just moved this over here. Here we have, Gracie is still in the same place, and we put up some new curtains. So they are brown. You can't really see it well. I'll try to get closer, but they are brown. And then you have this flower pattern. So then over here we still have the TV where it used to be, but we moved the prayer chair. So the prayer chair is now where it, I don't know that it's ever been in that corner. Yes, it has. It's been in that corner before. And then I just put a brown towel over the ottoman because it's black and nothing else in the room is. I kept the lamp there just because I can use that for study, of course. Then you go around this way, and you guys, look at how wonderful. We went ahead and changed out the, what I'm calling that, the faux headboard. You know, the curtains there that we put up. So what I did was Walmart had some, I think, Jackson, were they Better Home and Garden curtains? What was the brand of those curtains? I think they're Better Home and Garden. Jackson's going to check for me. But anyway, we bought, they were 4 in a pack. So you got the 2 panels here and then the shears in the middle for $9.94. And we just went ahead and picked those up. So then I picked up a new spread. It did not have the bed sheet, this bed skirt. So we just draped the top sheet down a little bit so that you wouldn't see the box spring underneath. And then it was only a 6-piece set. The last one I got was an 8-piece set. But I love the browns and the creams. So I may look for a cream colored bed skirt, but if I don't find one, it's going to be okay. And then these 3 pillows I got from Goodwill, and I had them sitting on the storage chest. But then when I realized I was changing color schemes, they just fit here very well. And then, what was the name of it, bud?
Mainstays.
Oh, it's the Walmart brand, the Mainstays. So this is what it looks like. It's the 84-inch window set, and then it's brown. So it comes with 2 voile and 2 solids, 27.5 by 84 in length. And it just worked out real well. And then I just went ahead and put the vanity at the end of the bed, and I do like that a whole lot better. So I know that means I won't be able to watch TV all that much, but that's okay because when the kids are in here watching stuff, I'm usually working on my computer, and that's fine. If I want to see a show, I can turn around, or I can always turn the TV around so that it faces the prayer chair and kind of we're watching that other way. But I just love this. This makes me feel at home. It makes me feel nice and cozy. And so I'm just happy about it. So don't sleep on Walmart. You know, we went in there looking for a bedspread and found those curtains. They were like, we hadn't even planned. We had not even planned to get 2 sets of curtains. I was just looking for 2 panels, and I was going to leave the bed part alone until I could do a little better, but they were only $10. So again, and that brown pillow, the dark brown pillow, I did also get from the Goodwill as well. So I just really like the way it turned out. I hope you do. Again, don't sleep on Walmart. So I pay for about $70. So but $70 or less is what I did the room over for. And it just makes me feel good. This will last a couple months. It may even go into the spring. So here's what it looks like with the top light out, with the main light off. So it just, to me, looks really homey. So I just wanted to share that part with you. Of course, that big light over there is still on, but it looks really homey to me without the main lights. Of course, it's still daylight outside, which is very good, but I like the newness of it. I like the fresh feel. We still do have a couple things that we have to find homes for, but other than that, this is what we're doing. So we're excited about it. Anywho, thank you so much for stopping by our channel for Vlogtober day number 6, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.